Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add our Google account in our phone. So let's get started. First we have to go to the settings, then scroll it down, then click on the Google, and you can see there is an arrow. You have to click on the arrow. Then there is an option add another account, so you have to click on that, and then it will load a little bit. Then you have to add your email here like this, and then you have to click on next. Then you have to add your password here, and then you have to click on next again. That's it guys, and click on the agree, and that's it. Your Google account has been added here. So that's how you can add your Google account guys. So see you in the next video, and do like, share and subscribe.